when I push the power button, I get nothing at all. Hey, welcome back to GT Canada. Today we got something a little bit unorthodox and original for you, slightly different than the regular content that we usually have. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. You're probably wondering, what the heck are you doing in the laundry room? I'm going to show you right now. Pay no attention to the mess here. What we're looking at, I've got the LG washer and dryer. This is a couple years old. Came to do some laundry, throw my wife's clothes in the dryer and throw my clothes in the washer. And when I push the power button, I get nothing at all. So I thought, well, okay, maybe it's not plugged in. Well, there you can not see very well, but it's definitely plugged in. So I thought, okay, well, maybe the breaker's tripped. So I went over here, the breaker box, and I found the washer receptacle, and the breakers, it's not tripped. But I thought, okay, maybe it tripped, but it just didn't look like it. So I flipped it off, flipped it back on, and it's definitely holding, so the breaker's fine. So now I'm going to show you the trick on how to fix, or at least attempt to fix, your washing machine. So the first thing you need to do is unplug it, like this. Come back around here, and what you want to do is hold down the power button for 5 seconds. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 5, 1000. I'll go 6, 1000. And then hold the start button. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 5, 1000, 6, 1000. Let go. We're going to plug it back in. So what that did was just reboot it. So when we turn it on, it should power right up just like normal. We're going to try and start up the load. So it's a quick fix. Hopefully it'll fix yours too. As long as the button is still intact, you'll be just fine. Give that a try before you pay some repairman to try and fix it for you. Hope that helped. Have a great day.